Hey y'all, this is Amanda with She's a Mad Gardener, and today I'm going to be working on a fall floral design in a mid-century modern vase that I found at a thrift store. It's right over there. I'll give you guys a close-up of it. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and make sure you drop me a comment below. Are you making floral designs? Are you using flowers from your garden? Are you using flowers from the grocery store? Do you like mid-century design? I like to kind of mix it up. In my house, I don't have all of the same kind of one particular design. I kind of just collect what I love. Okay, here's the vase. It is metal brass, has a foot. I believe I got it for less than $10. It has a vintage metal floral frog in the inside. And while I'm not going to be utilizing that today, it is pretty cool that it's in there. Okay, I'm going to be working with a lot of fall blooms over here. I've got hot biscuits amaranthus. I believe these are chocolate cherry sunflowers. Some beautiful coleus, a couple of other different types of sunflowers. This one I'll have to look up and put the name below. Some very cool celosia. That's like a variegated celosia. So it's kind of white and pink and yellow all at the same time. You can see it there too. Few red zinnias, lots of basil, some snow maiden scabiosas. I've got a lot of autumn joycinum, some straw flowers, a lot of fun stuff to work with. So let's get started. you so much for joining me today. I love this hydrangea, especially on this runner that my husband and I picked up on an anniversary trip to Santa Fe a few years ago. As always, she's a mad gardener or decorator or anything else that she wants to be. Thanks, y'all.